to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, on Fridays, we keep it real on topics that's trending in social media or that people leave for me to cover in my various social media. And today's topic is makeup for men, professional grooming. And this is a topic that a lot of people is discussing because makeup for men, most people feel that that's not masculine enough. But let's get down to it. Actors wear makeup because they're on film. We have sport figures wear makeup because paparazzi's always there taking pictures, so most likely they have makeup on. I feel like this, that men wear makeup for the same reasons why women wear makeup. Women wear makeup, they say, to enhance their beauties. Others say it's to cover up their flaws. Well, men wear makeup to cover up their flaws and to enhance their masculinity or their beauty. Now, we do now have men that's caring more about their facial features because they're in the limelight or they're on social media or they're doing the newest thing is growing a beard and they want that beard to look nice and shaped up. They don't want their flaws of their shaving bumps and stuff to show. We also have those who's into designing their mustaches. Same thing. They want that to shine and look nice and be soft. We also have those that's rappers or that's trying to be rappers or that's just professional men. And they're going to go out to a ball or they're going to go out to a function and they don't want their maybe birth scar being shown or they dark under their eyes being shown. So I did some research before I did this topic and I realized that there's a French president. I don't know if he's still in effect, so I won't mention his name, but he spent $30,000 on a makeup artist. That's a lot of money. And that's because he's a professional and when he's out there in that limelight, he wants to look good. But then we got sport people like David Beckham that started his men's grooming makeup line called House 99. And that is just for men. We also have BB face cream for the 100 distinctive men. And these are popping up all over the place. And these are companies that's making makeup just for the men's complexion. And the type of makeup that they're doing is a lot of concealer. And this concealer does the dark spots under their eyes, covers up the bags, covers up their flaws that they feel that they have. They also have eyebrow styling gel. You know what I'm talking about. Some men have these bushy eyebrows that look like it's about to come and attack you. Okay? Now there's gel for them. They have shine reducing powder that helps that shine. Face and body bronzer. Tinted shimmer. Lip serum. So it's not the same as women makeup. And do I feel that it makes them less masculine? Really? No. I think they're finally stepping up to the plate, looking just as good as that woman that's on their arm. I think they're finally stepping up to the plate and realize that, hey, guess what? The mirror in the bathroom is for two, not just one. I am tired of men constantly telling women too much money they're spending on makeup. Because guess what? Some of these products that I just discussed is $69. Okay? So their makeup is going to be, if not more expensive than women. Please utilize my description below. I I take time to put in details as well as more information about anything that I show or anything that I discuss. So if you do want to know more about these men makeup products by House 99, 4V1000, Distinctive Men, BB Face Cream, it will be in my description below. And a lot of times there's a link. I don't believe most people's utilizing that. Sometimes these companies offer me free samples. They offer me free merchandise. Nobody is utilizing my description. So if you are a viewer, a cruiser, or a sub honeybee, please read my description. A lot of times there's something may be in there for you. Hit me up in the comments. How do you feel about professional grooming and makeup for men? Do you think it takes away their masculinity? Or do you think it enhances their beauty and cover up their flaws? You know what time it is. It's Friday, and I'm tired, and I'm out. Peace.